Well, hello guys. Another. It's really cold. Oh, 50 degrees out. I hate it. Zeus mate, he loves it. Another video. Wasn't planning on making a video until about 2 weeks from now, which I'd have extra money from work. We were going to put a new air intake, a full exhaust, and a few other goodies for the truck. But as things happen, life gets you down. Hint: my rim on the floor, and that off. So where these OEM lug nuts are, somewhere, they don't quite fit in here, as you can see, and they kind of just wobble a little bit, even though they're torqued down to specification. Which meant once they got on here, they kind of wobbled forever, and I never really noticed it till about yesterday. Oh, why are you looking at me, man? And they just tore that up, which means back of them is, yeah, I don't even know if those are still usable, if I can get them repaired, fixed, because truck's already sitting on mismatched tires and rims, and it's just annoying. But, let's see if we can get them repaired, see if they're still usable, what tire shop tells me. But, why are you looking at the chair, dude? This chair doesn't taste like anything. Now, I gotta take off the caliper, the brake disc, just to get to this right here. What are you saying? What are you saying to the people? He likes cameras. Until you take a picture of him. And we're probably going to have to replace all the bushings in here, because these are all just, they're just shot, basically. They're no good. And we need spacers, because it rubs there on both sides. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it rubs pretty bad. So sadly, we're going to spend money on maintenance parts. Only have to buy one. See how much money I get from... Yes, I know you're here. And get money from everything else. So we'll see if we still do some exhaust work or stuff like that. So I'm pretty behind on a bunch of videos for you guys. Trying to get things out. Trying to get things organized. German Shepherds are good dogs, but... So, he'll be talking the rest of the day, I guess. So let's pull this off. And... just get done what I need. Stop it! You're not helping, mate. You're not helping. Right, let's go. Start. So it's another day. How my life goes. Still chilling with Zeus, my dog. Yesterday I wasn't able to get this off because didn't have any more of that, and it just would not come off. I started actually stripping it. I was like, well, crap. But today, got a new can of PB Blaster. Spray some of this on everything. Get it all done. We'll get it all loose. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. We'll come out, try to hit it again. I'm making a mess of what I'm doing. I don't really need any on that part of it, but well, whatever. They're just kind of stuck behind there. Just kind of work through them. Yeah, so we don't need the actual hub. We just need these. I kept saying that in yesterday's video. I'm not a mechanic. I don't always know things. Yeah, I was wrong. Just these. Which are wheel lugs? I can't remember. But we'll figure that out. We're going to let this sit for a little while, and we'll come back to it. Sadly, I wasn't filming any of that. My dad just came out and helped me a little bit. What you want to do is you're going to want to take the little circle off here. Little hub, and in it there will be this. These two immediately what you'll see. You're gonna pull this Carter pin out, which will allow you to back this nut off. Will let you allow you to take this off. That'll pull forward, and then your nut will come off. After that, your bearings are gonna come out. You'll see them come out like this. These ones are still good actually, so you don't really need to replace them. When we put them back in, we'll put more grease on them, clean it up, and that will then allow this to come loose. Same problem we're having is the bracket for the caliper is still stuck on there. It's been sprayed with that a few times now, and it's just refusing to come off. It's being a pain in the butt. It's kind of fighting with that at the moment, trying to get it off. Tomorrow, it's actually probably should have been filming that. After a few freaking days, got these two bolts off. It literally just been stuck on there. I've sprayed a whole bunch of penetrating oil.
Let me pull this off and drop it on the floor. Lovely. Do I even want this in there? What's going on? Whew. I take that bolt out for no apparent reason. I guess I'll put that back for the shield. You know what? I am gonna grease all over this. But yeah, besides that, sorry guys, off track, I'm just ranting. This is the brake drum, it's off. And these are actually just put into place. So what you do is you just beat. There we go. Oh dang it, I dropped all this. Hold a second. Hold up a second. Sorry, this video is kind of just taking a long span of days. It's pretty cold. I got sick. I'm more or less over there now. I suck to sound a little stuffy. And these bolts got froze up. This can was empty. Had to go buy another one. Whatever. Took way too freaking long. I haven't driven this truck in about a week now. So, I'm ready to drive. I have to get rid of these ugly stock tires. Go buy new ones pretty soon. So, hopefully after I make some more money, we're going to be installing new shocks. Or tires. Or, we'll figure it out. Because either way, these shocks are bad. Really bad. But yeah, to get these out, you take off your actual brake assembly. You can put that up there, get it out of the way. So now let's go to the store. Oh, that's real cool. Drop the keys. Ah, car, you're dirty. I like this little car. It's real nice. But we're fixing to head to town, Madisonville, and get the new parts, which will be 5 new little wheel studs, wheel nuts, whatever the heck you want to call them. They're grooved. They're just a pain in the butt. And, not that yellow hose, but, where is it? Well, there's a little black hose in there. We're going to see if that's there too. So, let's go. Whatever this nonsense is. Yay, O'Reilly's. You don't even see that, maybe, I don't know. Come on, dude. Turn. I can pull in. Hurry up, I don't want to hit my cars. I don't want to die. No! Whew, I didn't die, guys. Got to learn how to park, people, please. That would save the world. Alright, I'll get back to y'all. I'm gonna text you guys. Each individual be personal, guys. When I go back with the parts, so let's go. Triple foam? Of course. What? That's not triple foam. Never use those brushes. They're terrible. That's pointless. Oh. God, it's retarded. Nobody judge when I wash my car.
Late night thoughts of a dream man. Late night walks, I'm a G-man. I say fuck that order. Bitch, that's not your corner. I drink blood like water. At least that's what I taught her. 25 days left now when I come to realize that I'm close to the red line. I want you.
So guys, we're back. Showing you what you need to finish the freaking project of replacing your wheel studs. First off, your caliper, which has knocked the camera bat over. Your brake pads. random assortment of tools. Hammers. Screwdriver. This thing. This thing. And of course, your parts. A rag to clean it all off with. That got violent quickly. And a shop dog. Preferably good weather, but you know we're inside, so who cares? I should have. Yeah, I got 5 of these. Old ones, new ones. Garbage. First off, let's start with cleaning this. Not what I primarily use to clean stuff, but I forgot to pick this up at the store.
Try this again. That's pretty gutless. What was that? More and more pushes up. It's failing like right now.
And then you kind of go. You already see that or not? You don't even see that, but whatever. They're all, for the most part, pushed down. I started hitting them 2 more times. Get it fixed. Show you the process of putting it on.
No. chair. So now with our wheel studs firmly in place, you go ahead and slide it back on here. Like so. Your hardware will be able to put on pretty soon. You put your bearing on the correct way, hopefully. If I remember the correct way to do it. If not, I'm going to die. You guys get to know why. So here we finally are with this back on, and I need center caps. Just remember, tighten the crap out of them. Even if you're gonna be changing the lug nuts pretty soon, like I am, anyways. Tighten the crap out of them because they will back out like mine did, and you have to replace the wheel studs. But you're seeing it was just really 5 bolts. 2 to take that off, 2 to take that off, 1 to take that off. 5 bolts that held it all on, and 2 that got stuck and stopped me. Then I got sick too, so that didn't help either. I'm gonna finish tightening this down. I'm gonna go play in the rain. Yeah, I'm gonna go play in the rain. Heck, I even started this truck in a week. And it's on! Yay! Lovely! Oh, that's turning a wheel, that's why. First go! Ah, we need a tune-up. Damn it, that's another video! Whatever. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Please come back, watch some more videos, do some more stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends all about it. Give me some more thoughts for new videos. Thank y'all. Peace out.